Today on Technova Hub, we're reviewing a must-have accessory for any Surface Pro user, the PULWTOP USB-C Docking Station, designed specifically for Microsoft Surface Pro 11, 10, 9, and 8. If you're looking to boost productivity, connect multiple monitors, and reduce cable clutter, this docking station delivers in every category. Let's talk features. White heavy checkmark dual HDMI ports, 4K at 60 Hz, effortlessly expand your workspace to two external monitors with crisp, ultra-clear 4K resolution. Whether you're multitasking, editing, or streaming, dual displays give you the power to do more. White heavy checkmark blazing fast data ports, with 3 USB-C/USB-A 10 gigabits per second ports, 2 USB-A 5 gigabits per second, and an extra USB 2.0 port. You've got all the connectivity you need for hard drives, peripherals, and accessories. White heavy checkmark stable Gigabit Ethernet. Say goodbye to lag and weak Wi-Fi. This dock features a reliable RJ45 Ethernet port for fast, wired internet, perfect for remote work, gaming, or video calls. White heavy checkmark 100W power delivery, PD. Charge your Surface Pro and connected devices all through a single USB-C connection. It's efficient, tidy, and perfect for travel or desk setups. We especially love how seamlessly this dock fits the Surface Pro's design. It's compact, lightweight, and sits flush without wobble. And setup? It's plug and play. No drivers. No hassle. Wrench build quality and compatibility. It feels premium, with solid port spacing and great heat dissipation. Fully compatible with Windows 11 and optimized for Surface Pro USB-C architecture, you get reliable performance without lag or signal dropouts. DirectIt perfect for home office professionals, students and remote workers, creators needing dual monitors, anyone who wants one clean connection for all their gear. Speech balloon final verdict. The PULWTOP Docking Station turns your Surface Pro into a full desktop workstation without breaking the bank. Fast ports, dual displays, and power delivery make it a solid investment for serious productivity. Shopping cart. Insert Amazon affiliate link. Bell like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews right here on Technova Hub. Technova Hub, smart tech simplified.